Dig deeper into dig deeper. Uncover the meaning. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning an exciting adventure. Today, we're going to dig deeper into a very interesting English phrase. Stick around to find out what it means to dig deeper, both literally and figuratively, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Let's dive in. When we look at the words dig and deeper separately, they are quite straightforward. To dig is to move soil or other materials using a tool or your hands, and deeper refers to going further down below the surface of something. So, if someone tells you to dig deeper while you're in the garden, they're simply asking you to make the hole you're digging more profound or to remove more from the inside of it. But there's more to this phrase than just gardening tips. In a figurative sense, dig deeper is a metaphor used to encourage someone to look for more information or to think more critically about a topic. This can be in studying, problem-solving, or even in personal reflection. For example, if you're researching for a school project, and you only have a very basic overview, your teacher might tell you to dig deeper into the subject to find more detailed information. It's also used to encourage someone to muster more strength or resources in difficult situations. Imagine you're running a marathon and you feel like you can't go any further. Your coach might yell, "Come on, dig deeper." They're not asking you to literally dig into the ground, but rather to find more energy or determination within yourself to keep going. Let's put our phrase into action. Here are some examples of how dig deeper can be used in everyday English. During a debate, I think you need to dig deeper into the history of this issue to understand it fully. In personal growth, if you want to overcome this challenge, you have to dig deeper into your past experiences and learn from them. At work, our sales numbers are down. We need to dig deeper to find the cause and improve them. Remember, it's a versatile phrase that can be used in many different contexts. I hope you enjoyed learning about the phrase, dig deeper, and now feel confident using it in your own conversations. Whether you're literally moving earth or metaphorically searching for more profound truths or strengths, this phrase is a powerful reminder that there's often more beneath the surface. Don't forget to practice what we've learned today, maybe even dig deeper into other English idioms and expressions. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.